You lying sack of
At 8 a.m. the day of, Matt texts me and says the install is a go. So I pack up my camera gear and I head out. M&M Garage Doors has been looking for someone worthy of their brand new garage door giveaway for months. So as the video producer, I said, I'll just be on standby, just tell me when you find someone. And they finally did.
My name is Wayne Raskew,
I'm Joy Rastigue.
and we've been married 30 years. And
In the same house.
in the same house.
Wayne and Joy are only expecting their bottom seal of their door to be replaced. So Reese is the technician on this install, we're trying to figure out how we maintain the element of surprise for Wayne and Joy. How do we make sure they don't find out Reese is installing a whole new door? Well, Reese actually had a great idea. He said, I'll just tell them to stay out of the garage. It's a general safety precaution that, we do on all jobs. And they have to stay out until he's done. So once he gets started, he has to move quick because a bottom seal replacement takes significantly less time to do than a whole door replacement. So the longer he's out there, the more suspicious Wayne and Joy will get. So time's ticking. As I'm filming, all of a sudden Reese seems pretty distraught, like very concerned. He quits unloading stuff and he's thinking, like, something's up. So in the back of my mind, I'm like, shoot, something's gone wrong and we're not even 5 minutes into this install. Well, it turns out the doors he was given were the wrong doors.
I've got long panels and short.
Or so we thought.
What? Really?
They ended up being the correct panels, so we were good to go. Now, once Reese starts stacking the brand new door, we get a surprise of our own.
Put a movable door in there.
Oh, just fixing it up a little bit.
You lying sack of
And there goes our original plan. Wayne came out at the absolute worst time, and as you could tell, he was onto us a little bit. He was taking Molly for a walk, and he saw the brand new door. Absolutely hilarious. But it was time for stacking. Wayne and Joy were stoked for their new door.
I think the door is beautiful. We never had one that was insulated and fit so well. I'm amazed.
Quiet.
Quiet and feels safer.
Yes.
Surprised. I was flabbergasted. I was shocked, really. I said, what? And then when I went out there, I said, boy, that looks like a heavy door. Is that insulated? Oh, of course. I said, well, God bless. Great job. I guess my other thoughts is I never thought I'd have a door on my house like this.
We love M&M. Are
we
you
love
kidding?
Them. If
They're the
anybody
best.
needs a job well done, call M&M anytime.